Are you having an issue when you're trying to render out your video and you're getting this message? You're not alone. So many people right now are having this issue, and we're going to very simply solve that today. But first, I do want to remind you we are doing an amazing giveaway on this channel in an upcoming live stream from RVisual. We'll be giving away 3 prizes, which includes the ultimate pack of 100 transitions and 100 sound effects. So stick around to the end of the video to learn about what you need to do in order to enter this contest. So for now, let's jump into DaVinci Resolve and get this situated. This is going to be a very simple thing for us to fix. What I want you to do is come up to the very top left, and you can see here where it says DaVinci Resolve. I want you to click on that. Once you bring that down, you can come down to Preferences. Now you can press Command and comma, or on Windows, most likely Control and comma to pop it up. But let's just go ahead and click here. Now, as you can see, this window has popped up, and we can see here it's set on the media storage or whatever it might be there. But you see here at the top in the middle, this is System. And then next to that is User. And what we're going to do is work in User. So let's select it. Now we have that, and we're looking here on our user interface where you're most likely having your issues right down here with these 2 here. Now, maybe both of them are checked or one of them is checked, but let's see what they are. So we have stop playback when a dropped frame is detected. Stop renders when a frame or clip cannot be processed. So what is happening is when you're rendering out your video and a frame drops, it's just not reading it, you're going to get that message and DaVinci Resolve will not move forward because it wants to help you have a perfect video. However, with just 1 frame, it's not really that important. So now let's go ahead and uncheck that. When you do render out your video, be sure to pay attention to that moment that it was happening before so you can make sure that it flows through smoothly. Now this next one up here is stop playback when a dropped frame is detected. Now this could lead to so many different things. Now maybe you're on the color page, you're doing masking, and DaVinci Resolve crashes, or there's different things. Sometimes it just crashes. That could also come from this. There are other things that could cause that. However, this is one of the possibilities. So I just deselect that and make sure nothing is selected. Once that's done, you can try to render out your video or run the process you were at before and go through from there. Okay, so now it's time to talk about the giveaway, which we're going to do on a live stream that'll be coming up soon. I just haven't announced exactly when yet. Roddick from RVisual had reached out to me, and he wants to give you, the community, an amazing 3 prizes to a giveaway. So let's go ahead and check out the website real quick to see what you can get. So as you can see here, I just went to rvisual.store, and I'm going to click here on Discover Our Product. The first thing that pops up is the Ultimate Pack, which has everything in there. So let's see what's inside the box. As you can see, all of these different transitions, and each one of these has 5 transitions. So as you can see here, there is 80 of the 100 transitions already available. Now, he is still adding more. There's going to be 20 more. So even if you want to get this pack right now, you will still get all of the other transitions, and each one of these transitions comes with its own sound effect that is attached to it, and this makes it absolutely amazing. Additionally, there is the Reel Buddy, and as you can see, it has TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook for your shorts, your reels, your stories, whatever it is that you're going to be making. And this can really help you in your layout. So as you can see here, you can also edit any one of these transitions, and you get free updates to all of the transitions with no monthly fees. So that is for the Ultimate Pack. So what about the giveaway? Well, we're going to start with third prize. Third prize, you can pick any one of these transition packs that you want. For number 2, you will be able to pick any 2 of these that you want, or Roddick had updated it, you can choose to get the Reel Buddy instead of the 2 transitions if the Reel Buddy is the thing that you want. And for the grand prize, you get the Ultimate Pack, which will come with the 100 transitions, 100 sound effects, and the Reel Buddy. This is going to be absolutely amazing. And right now, he has it only at $49.99, and believe me, this pack is absolutely amazing. So now, in order to enter this contest, you must go to this video above, or it's linked in the description, and you can go ahead and comment RVisual on that video. Also, if you watch that video, you'll be able to get a free demo pack, which is going to include a bunch of the different transitions and sound effects with it. So go ahead and check that one out, and good luck to you, and I'll see you in the next one.